What's up, guys? Oof Doctor 2020 here. We are back with another YouTube video, and we are in Ragdoll right now. How you guys like the merch? Oof. Hey, bruh. It's my but space between it's my Roblox. It's my Roblox name. See, because my Roblox name is the Oof Doctor 2020. See, look, the Oof Doctor 2020. So I call myself the Oof Doctor. And so, look, Ninja. He said, "Oh, cool. Huh. Your outfit's cool, bro. Your outfit is cool." Tofu hair. Oh. No. No, he's not famous as a YouTuber. Tofu is... Bro, this is Bacon here trying to freaking push us. You know what we do when that happens? We do what we're most good at. Oof. And now we're nothing but a fox with legs. Good night. Okay, guys, do you know what's weird? The thing that happened yesterday was like weird. I accidentally swallowed a tack. I was like fixing my curtain because it fell. And next thing you know, a tack fell in my mouth and went down my throat. And it like almost, like, I could have almost died. And thankfully, I didn't. And thankfully that I am still here making YouTube videos. And that's actually a true story, legit. It happened last night. But you know how dumb I am in Roblox? Want to see is inside my brain. Nothing here. This is inside my brain. See, as you see, that was my... What I actually see. Ah! Oh. I'm just kidding, guys. This is my brain. I have nothing in my brain. I am mindless. Oh, dang. I have eyes. Oh, dang. I'm gonna say I'm Rick. Ow. I bully, yeah, bully. Guys, he said IYT, so gives him some respect. Follow him on Roblox. Pause the video if you need to. What the heck, bro? Stop moving. His name is Jamius15. And so, yeah. Wait, no, is this the legit Karina? Oh my god. Karina? Oh my god. It's the real one! It's the real one! It's the real one! Are you gamer girl? You gamer girl? No, she's running away. I know where she is. I will find you. Sladu Karina? Ow. Oh, that actually hurt. I just fell out of my chair. You know what? I'm just gonna record this on the floor. Guys, I think this video... No. Nope. Oh, thank the Lord. Guys, if you want to be in a YT vid, come to pool. Alright, because this is actually going to be on YT. I'm lagging.
Josh, this is opening this house.
Okay, so hi.
What?
Hi. What are you talking about? Oh. Leo _ unicorn. Yo, this is Ninja again. It's Ninja. Doctor, help me. Helps. Helps. Helps up. Helps up. I'm a god of Roblox. Doctor, I can heal and oof. Oh. I am the oof doctor. I can heal and oof. Oh. Me Ninja of Roblox. Yes. Oh my god, his eye, bro, is like a flaming demon of death. Wait, why is there so many people pretending to be YouTubers? I'm giving an account away. I'm giving an account away. Who wants it? Bruh. Who wants an account with Robux on it? Come to pool if so. I say if. Me want an account. But you have Robux. Said you have Robux. Yeah, that's how you bought the ninja. Doctor, save me. Oh no. Grabs. Got him. I'm a hero. I'm a hero. You guys, if you don't know how powerful I am in the guys, who wants an account? Guys, who wants an account? It has Robux on it. I am. I am Naruto. Shh. Guys, I'm sorry I can't really accept friend requests. I have max friends, but I will remove friends later. I'm surprised Ninja has not even added me yet. Like, sure. Shh, I'm undercover. I'm Ninja. I'm just kidding. That sounded weird. I'm gonna end it soon. So say you want to whitey before I end it. I'm gonna end the vids. Alright, yeah. Alright. I had to pause the video right there. I had to pause it. If you turn off, I'll never be on. You? Oh, no. Did you sub? Did you sub? Subscribe. 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 I'm gonna end the video right here. Guys, I love you so much. Thank you for all your support, and I will see you in the next one.